Being able to deliver practical learning outcomes as well as traditionally taught learning outcomes in the same space is something that is coming to the whole sector of HE, and Manchester really is leading the way in that. So the way the blended learning space is laid out enables our students to work together in small groups in the lecture space as it's currently set up, and then transition directly into the laboratory space and practice their hands-on skills and develop their software that then they can take directly into their group projects and their industry-style challenges they then go on to solve.
With MACD's layout of having lectures and labs, it really allows us to combine the theoretical knowledge and the practical knowledge, and with it being right in front of you, it's easy to grasp onto the concepts faster.
If the technical stuff and the lab stuff are separated, you might just forget some of the things that you learned previously. So it was really great to do them back to back.
The way that the space has been designed is really useful for our students. It's also useful for us as educators. It gives us the opportunity to take traditionally taught learning outcomes and practical learning outcomes and marry them together very closely. So if you have 2 hours with your lecturer, instead of having a traditional lecture, perhaps you would have a lecture that's blended with a tutorial, so you have much smaller scale interactions.
In a lecture room, there's only the lecturers talking to you, whereas here, there's you've got the TAs, you've got the other lecturers who will come to help, and you can ask them questions straight away, like I've asked about 5 times.
It's actually quite good as you study the theory part, you take half a lecture here, and then you move immediately to doing the hands-on experience. I've never experienced something like this before.
The blended learning approach that we're delivering through the use of the Blended Learning Theatre here in Manchester is going to become the industry standard, particularly in science and engineering. Manchester having access to such a space already means that we're already at the forefront of this mode of delivery, and it's going to deliver some really positive outcomes for our students.